Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about how to create AI text on Wix.com. Guys, if you wrote line for your company and then now you want to add any type of tagline, then you can create your tagline by using this amazing tool which is Create AI Text. Just simply you have to click on it and then write your business type over here, and then you have to write your business name over here. This is the business type of my company I wrote over here, and this is my company name. And now this is the text type. If you want to add any type of paragraph over here, then you can click with this paragraph, and if you want to add title, then you can click on title. And this is the topic about your text. Just simply you have to click your right one from here, and then you can get your tagline. Now I'm going to create text by clicking this blue create text button, and in just few seconds guys, as you can see, my text has been done and I have three of options, and I can select my right one which will be catchy. I've selected this one, and now I'm going to cut it. As you can see guys, my text title has been done, and same as you can write your tagline, you can write your title, and you can write your paragraph as well by the help of this amazing tool which is Create AI Text. So guys, this is how to create AI text on Wix.com. Hope this video will be helpful for you. See you in the next one.